Hey everyone, welcome back to our Excel channel, Excel Book. In this video, we'll be talking about Vlookup and Hlookup. So what are lookup functions and why are they important to us? Let's start with Vlookup function. Vlookup function is very famous among everyone who is keen to learn MS Excel. Personally, the reasons is still unknown to me. In most simple term, Vlookup function locates a data point from another set of data. As the first letter of VLOOKUP, we suggest vertical. The search for the data starts vertically from columns. The first argument of the formula syntax is lookup value, which is a cell reference which can be either text or number. The second argument is table array, which is nothing but selected cell range. Remember, it should be more than 2 columns. Third argument is column index number, which is there to select the column number starting from the table array. And the last argument is range lookup. This parameter is optional to insert but significant. The value to be used are true and false. When we use false as a parameter, we will get exact match of the data, and parameter true is used to match approximate value. For parameter false, we can also use 0, and for true parameter, we can also use 1. Let's begin with today's example. We have GDP data with us for South Asian countries from year 2011 to 2015. GDP, that is, Gross Domestic Product, is the monetary measure of all goods and services in a country within a time frame. It helps us know the size and growth rate of a country. In cell range C6 to C14, we have the list of countries. In column D to H, we have GDP values from 2011 to 2015. Let's say I want to extract GDP value of Bhutan in 2014. Now in cell D17, we will use Vlookup function. For the first argument, lookup value, we will link cell C17, which is one of the country from the above list. Now in second argument, table array, we will set our cell range. C6 to H14 will be a cell range. Now the third argument, column index number, we will write 5 since we want value for 2014, which is 5th column. In our last argument, range lookup, we will use false since we require to match exact value. We will get our desired value. Now say that we want to see GDP value for China for year 2015. We can simply change country name in cell C17 and change the formula syntax third argument column index number to 6 to get the value. But also we can insert first argument lookup value inside the formula itself. That is, I am going to write the country name China in formula itself. Just take care of one thing while doing the same. Please write the name in double quotes. Now moving on to tab sheet 2, we will use Hlookup. Now Vlookup and Hlookup function are same when it comes to formula syntax. Similar to Vlookup, the first argument of Hlookup is lookup value, which is cell reference. The second argument is table array, which is nothing but selected cell range, which should be more than 2 rows. The third argument is row index number, which is there to select the rows number starting from table array. And the last argument is range lookup. This parameter can be true for approximate match and false for exact match. The following example will clear your doubts. The data table contains population from 2011 to 2015 for the same countries as previous tab. Let's say we want data of India's population for 2015. We will use Hlookup in cell D14, link the lookup value in cell C14, link the table array which is C6 to K11. Our third argument, row index number, will be 6 for 2015 and our last argument will be false. We will get our desired value. One last thing that applies to both Vlookup and Hlookup is that both lookup value will work for case sensitive. That is, if I write India in all capital letters, it will work. However, the blank spaces in a text should remain same. For example, if I write country name Sri Lanka with an extra space, it will give me an error. So that's it in today's video. If you understand the Vlookup and Hlookup functions, then like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any additional queries, then write them down in comment section below. Thank you.